Can a keyboard this impossibly thin still deliver that satisfying mechanical click we all crave? Keychron's K3 version 2 steps up to challenge everything you thought you knew about compact typing, promising peak productivity in an ultra-slim package. This isn't just another keyboard, it's a statement piece for your desk, designed for those who demand both form and function. Right out of the box, the K3 version 2 impresses with its incredibly sleek profile. We're talking about a keyboard that's 40% slimmer than many of its mechanical counterparts, thanks to those redesigned low-profile Keychron mechanical switches. And don't let the slimness fool you. The reinforced aluminum body, paired with a plastic bottom frame, gives it a surprisingly robust feel while keeping it lightweight. It's a smart blend of materials that makes it one of the thinnest wireless mechanical keyboards you can find. The heart of this experience lies in those low-profile Keychron mechanical brown switches. If you appreciate a good tactile bump without the loud click, these are a joy. They offer a shorter pre-travel and total travel distance, meaning your inputs register faster, giving you that quick, responsive feedback that's essential for typing-intensive work or just zipping through emails. It truly feels like your fingers are flying across the keys. Connectivity is a breeze, thanks to the stable Broadcom Bluetooth 5.1 chipset. You can effortlessly pair the K3 with up to 3 devices. Think your laptop, PC, tablet, and even your phone, and switch between them seamlessly. For those times you prefer a direct connection, there's also a reliable USB wired option. Keychron has also made sure Mac users feel right at home, including all the necessary multimedia keys, and even extra keycaps for both Mac and Windows operating systems. It's a thoughtful touch that shows genuine consideration for diverse users. Aesthetically, the K3 version 2 doesn't disappoint. The floating keycap design looks modern and clean, and the charming white LED backlight with its contemporary legends adds a touch of sophistication, syncing perfectly with any mood or setup. It's a keyboard that looks as good as it performs. For anyone seeking a compact, versatile, and genuinely satisfying mechanical typing experience without the bulk, the Keychron K3 version 2 is an amazing contender. It delivers on its promise of peak productivity and a great tactile feel, all wrapped up in an ultra-slim, portable design. This keyboard is a fantastic choice for everyday use and serious typists alike.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.